In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove additional information in Woocommerce. If you're managing an online store with Woocommerce, you know how important it is to keep your product pages clean, clear, and easy to navigate. Sometimes extra information or unnecessary details can clutter your product pages, making them harder for your customers to browse and potentially affecting their buying decisions. The good news is, with just a few simple steps, you can tidy things up and make your product listings look more professional. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. To do this, head over to WordPress.com and click on the Login button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the page. Once you're on the login screen, enter your credentials, your username or email address, and your password, and you'll be taken straight into your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're in the dashboard, you'll see the WordPress admin menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your website. To get started, look for the Products tab in this menu. It should be somewhere near the middle of the list, depending on how your dashboard is set up. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked on the Products tab, the next step is to select All Products. This option allows you to view a complete list of all the products currently available in your store. You'll see them displayed in a table format, with their names, categories, stock status, and other details listed. Take a moment to locate the specific product you want to edit. If you have a long list of products, you can use the search bar at the top right of the table to quickly find the one you're looking for. Once you've found it, simply click on the product name to open its editing page. Now, you're on the product editing page, which is where all the customization happens. Scroll down until you find the product data section. This section is central to editing details about your product, like its price, inventory, and attributes. Within the product data area, you'll notice several tabs along the top. You'll want to click on the one labeled Attributes. This is where we'll focus our attention. The Attributes tab is where you can manage all the additional information tied to your product, like size, color, material, and so on. If you notice any attributes here that you no longer need or that don't apply to your product, you can remove them easily. To do this, simply delete the attributes you don't want or uncheck any options that you no longer wish to display. For example, if there's an attribute for material, but your product only comes in one material and it doesn't add value to the product page, you can safely remove it to keep things concise. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, it's time to save your changes. To do this, scroll back up to the top of the product editing page and look for the blue Update button on the right-hand side. Click this button and your changes will be saved. That's it. You've successfully cleaned up the additional information for this product, making the product page more streamlined and user-friendly. And that's all there is to it. By removing unnecessary attributes, you're not just decluttering your product pages, you're also enhancing the shopping experience for your customers, which can lead to better engagement and potentially more sales. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Good luck with your WooCommerce store, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.